Welcome to My Business Success. Today, we're diving into a topic that every aspiring entrepreneur needs to hear about: the secrets of America's top entrepreneurs. If you've ever wondered how the most successful business leaders built their empires, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the key strategies and mindsets that have helped some of the most influential entrepreneurs achieve incredible success. Whether you're just starting out or you're thinking about launching your own business, this video will give you the insights you need to avoid common pitfalls and set yourself up for success. We'll explore the habits, decisions, and strategies that top entrepreneurs use to stay ahead of the competition. So if you're ready to learn from the best and take your first steps towards entrepreneurial success, let's get started. Let's jump into the first secret that separates America's top entrepreneurs from the rest: the power of vision and focus. Successful entrepreneurs don't just stumble into success. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve, and they focus relentlessly on making that vision a reality. Take Steve Jobs, for example. His vision wasn't just to create computers, it was to revolutionize the way people interact with technology. This laser-sharp focus allowed him to push through challenges and innovate in ways that others couldn't even imagine. The same goes for Elon Musk, whose vision extends far beyond electric cars. He's focused on transforming the future of energy and space travel. So how can you develop your own vision? Start by asking yourself, what impact do you want your business to have? What problem are you passionate about solving? Your vision should be something that excites you and drives you to keep going, even when the road gets tough. Once you have your vision, the next step is to focus on it. This means saying no to distractions and opportunities that don't align with your goals. It's about prioritizing your time and resources on the things that will bring you closer to your vision. Remember, focus is what turns a good idea into a great business. By developing a strong vision and maintaining your focus, you'll be following in the footsteps of some of the greatest entrepreneurs in history. This is the foundation upon which all other success is built. Moving on to the second secret that drives America's top entrepreneurs: building a resilient mindset. Success in business isn't just about having a great idea. It's about being able to weather the storms that inevitably come with entrepreneurship. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, learn from failures, and keep pushing forward no matter what. Consider the story of Howard Schultz, the former CEO of Starbucks. Schultz grew up in a poor neighborhood and faced numerous challenges before turning Starbucks into a global powerhouse. But what made him successful wasn't just his vision for the company, it was his ability to persevere through adversity. He faced rejection after rejection when trying to raise capital for Starbucks, but his resilience kept him going. Oprah Winfrey is another prime example. She faced significant challenges in her early life, including poverty and abuse, yet she didn't let those experiences define her. Instead, she used them as fuel to build a media empire and become one of the most influential entrepreneurs in the world. Her resilience in the face of adversity is a cornerstone of her success. So how can you build a resilient mindset? Start by embracing failure as a learning opportunity. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey and use them to refine your strategies. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors and peers who can offer guidance and encouragement. And most importantly, keep your eyes on the long-term goal, knowing that every challenge you overcome brings you one step closer to success. By cultivating resilience, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship and stay on course even when the going gets tough. The third secret that plays a crucial role in the success of America's top entrepreneurs is networking and building relationships. No entrepreneur achieves success alone. The ability to connect with others, build a strong network, and cultivate meaningful relationships is a powerful tool that can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and resources. Take Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, for example. Branson is known for his ability to connect with people from all walks of life. His success is not just due to his business acumen, but also to his extensive network of contacts, which he has built over decades. He believes in the power of relationships and has often said that his success is largely due to the people he has met along the way. Similarly, Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, attributes attributes much of her success to the relationships she has built. From mentors who guided her in the early days to business partners who helped scale her brand, Blakely's network has been instrumental in her journey. So how can you start building your own network? Begin by attending industry events, both online and offline, where you can meet like-minded individuals. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire, whether it's sending a thoughtful message on LinkedIn or requesting a coffee chat. Remember, networking isn't just about what others can do for you. It's about building mutually beneficial relationships. Additionally, be sure to cultivate these relationships over time. Follow up, stay in touch, and offer value whenever possible. Whether it's sharing an article that might interest them or introducing them to someone in your network, small gestures can go a long way in maintaining strong connections. By focusing on networking and building relationships, you're not just expanding your circle. You're creating a support system that can help you navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship and accelerate your success. The fourth secret of America's top entrepreneurs is their commitment to continuous learning and adaptability. The business world is constantly changing, and the most successful entrepreneurs understand that in order to stay ahead, they must be willing to learn and adapt continuously. Take Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, for instance. Despite his incredible success, Gates has always emphasized the importance of learning. He's an avid reader and dedicates significant time each day to reading and expanding his knowledge. Gates believes that staying curious and informed is key to making better decisions and staying relevant in a rapidly changing world. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, is another example. Bezos built Amazon from a small online bookstore into one of the most valuable companies in the world by continually learning and adapting. He's known for his willingness to pivot when necessary and his focus on long-term thinking. For Bezos, adaptability is crucial to navigating the complexities of business and staying ahead of the competition. So, how can you incorporate continuous learning and adaptability into your own entrepreneurial journey? Start by making learning a daily habit. Set aside time each day to read books, listen to podcasts, or take online courses that can help you develop new skills and stay informed about industry trends. Don't be afraid to seek out new knowledge, even if it's outside your current area of expertise. In addition, embrace change and be open to pivoting your business strategy when necessary. And the ability to adapt quickly to new circumstances can be the difference between success and failure. Pay attention to feedback from customers, market shifts, and technological advancements, and be ready to adjust your approach as needed. By committing to continuous learning and remaining adaptable, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of entrepreneurship and capitalize on new opportunities as they arise. The fifth secret of America's top entrepreneurs is their ability to leverage technology and innovation to stay ahead of the curve. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, technology is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. The most successful entrepreneurs know how to harness the power of technology to innovate, streamline operations, and create new opportunities. Let's look at Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. Zuckerberg didn't just create a social network, he revolutionized how people connect and share information globally. His success lies in his ability to leverage emerging technologies and continuously innovate to keep Facebook relevant in a competitive market. From the introduction of the news feed to the acquisition of Instagram and WhatsApp, Zuckerberg has consistently used technology to expand Facebook's reach and influence. Similarly, Reed Hastings, the co-founder of Netflix, transformed the entertainment industry by leveraging technology to shift from DVD rentals to streaming. By staying ahead of technological trends and consumer demands, Netflix became a global powerhouse in the entertainment industry. Hastings understood the importance of innovation and wasn't afraid to disrupt the status quo to lead the market. So how can you leverage technology and innovation in your own business? Start by staying informed about the latest technological trends in your industry. This could mean adopting new software that improves efficiency, exploring automation tools that can save time, or even considering how artificial intelligence could enhance your offerings. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Innovation often comes from experimenting with new ideas and approaches that others haven't considered. Encourage a culture of innovation within your team by fostering an environment where creativity and new ideas are valued. Finally, remember that leveraging technology isn't just about using the latest tools. It's about understanding how those tools can help you solve problems, reach new customers, and create value in ways that weren't possible before. By embracing technology and fostering innovation, you'll position your business to thrive in an ever-changing marketplace and stay ahead of the competition. We've covered a lot in this video, and now it's time to bring it all together. The secrets of America's top entrepreneurs are not just abstract concepts, they're practical strategies that you can apply to your own entrepreneurial journey. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed. First, we talked about the power of having a clear vision and the importance of staying focused on that vision. Next, we explored the importance of building a resilient mindset that helps you push through challenges and setbacks. We then discussed the value of networking and building strong relationships that can open doors to new opportunities. We also highlighted the importance of continuous learning and adaptability in a rapidly changing business environment. Finally, we discussed how leveraging technology and innovation can give you a competitive edge. But remember, knowledge alone isn't enough. The true secret to success is taking action. The most successful entrepreneurs didn't just learn these principles, they applied them consistently over time. So what's your next step? Start by identifying one or two areas where you can implement these strategies in your own business or entrepreneurial plans. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Take action now. Whether it's refining your vision, expanding your network, or embracing new technology, every small step brings you closer to your goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights, strategies, and inspiration to help you grow your business. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and let me know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Now go out there and start building your success story.